Kublai pi baru kini gilonggi kubor bam takasngi. Ka jinyalang kabinet jengka sarkar Meghalaya ka balalam kemadu menteri rangba u Conrad Sangma ka la yakran yabun teli kimat trekam bakongsan. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor menteri rangba ula pentip bakarai ka baningkong ka balashim hai ketika jinyalang ka de halor ka jing terwa ban penrung ya ka structure pay framework na benta ki fixed pay teacher hapo katnat puli puthi. Long bakani karai kakta ki ad hoc teacher but ki SSA teacher ki badan kumba arpo hajar hadu arpulai hajar ngun AA. Menteri rangba ula pensyai ba hadu menta ki nonghikai kilayo jingya pher ke jingya rapisa namar ki dan bun ki structure bala ai na ka sarkar pedeng syaki nonghikai ba pher. Kumta ladon jing dawa na du mensya badan kamban bu ya kerukam siu ka berhenti bat bakinyo jingya dah hakakam Uloong baka sarkar jela kelada peneraman syah bahkan salit syakmat ban penteri kami ketika structure pi framework Henry hakti kapur syam nala ban penpau ya kijingya khen pisa namar pat dep Mynjur da ka kabinet. Henry mentau uloong baka kabinet ha kijingya lang jeng kesngi pale kala Mynjur pura ya ketika proposal bat hakini ki Henry pos ngi banwan. Ka sarkar kan sa penteri kam ya kijingya penbet bat kiwei par kijing penkala badan kam hapo ki skul. Menteri rangba uloong bagani ka reform ka bahe ka badan bun benta tang ha ka salary henry ru ha ka rukam trekam hapo ki skul. Karkum ka jingya thu jang ya kani ka structure pay framework on sa penteri kam pat ba na du ka shitarik wiya yong arajar arpin riu uloong ru ba ka jingya thu pisa ka bajilla kan hap ban pelut na ka benta kani ka reform ka long ba praspa khan nyuklur tingka shisnem ka bare ka annual impact ka sarkar jilla. Haga jinyalang kabinet layak renru halor ka ordinance kabla de pas haga jinyalang ba minsha kabadan kamban penbetno namar ka jinya syong dorbar assembly kala janpoi. Shushu la menjuru yaki regulations jong ka Captain Williamson Sangma University ki bakenthop yaka common academic calendar ki kendon jinya rung postgraduate ka course structure but karukam conduct yaki exam na benta ki master program haki benta arts science commerce law library but information science.
So very good evening to everyone. As you're aware, we had a cabinet meeting today, and a large number of agendas were discussed during the cabinet meeting. I will briefly share the decisions that were taken. The first decision that was taken by the cabinet was the proposal for introduction of a structured pay framework for fixed pay teachers under the education department. As you're aware, this decision is a decision where the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers mainly, numbering approximately 23,099, who were receiving grant in aid, and of course in SSA case they were receiving also the structure that was proposed from and cleared by Government of India, and different structures were being given to different teachers, and hence there's been a demand for a very long time that there should be some kind of a structured pay. A framework should be created, and there should be some kind of security in terms of the job for the concerned teacher. For the last 6 months, we have been in discussion with the different teachers and different associations. And before Christmas, we had announced the decision to go ahead with the structured pay frame. The numbers were finalized during that time, and I did not announce the numbers then because we had not approved it in the cabinet, but I can share with you that we have today approved the same proposal that was there in the cabinet today, and in the next 2 months we will work out the nitty-gritties of other important interventions that need to be taken, because this is a reform that we're doing, and the reform will have multiple aspects. And hence, while we give the teachers their salary package, the structured pay framework, There are other structures or restructuring that will take place within the schools also. So all of this will happen in the next 60 days, and we will be implementing the new structured pay framework by 1st of April 2026. The total amount that will be spent on giving this structured pay framework to teachers is approximately 817 crores will be the annual impact on the state government.